Did Samsung just fix everything that was annoying Galaxy S25 users? Because One UI 8.5 Beta 4 just dropped, and this update feels less like an experiment and more like a near final build. Samsung has officially rolled out One UI 8.5 Beta 4 for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. And this time, the focus is crystal clear: fix the problems and polish the experience. Firmware build ZZAL isn't about flashy new features from the Galaxy S26 era. It's about making your S25 feel smooth, stable, and premium again. If you've been testing One UI 8.5 since the early betas, you'll notice the difference instantly. This update feels calmer and more refined as Samsung tightens the screws before a stable release. One of the biggest fixes targets the lock screen clock bug that caused weird scrolling and ruined the look of the display. That issue is finally gone, making the lock screen feel clean and reliable again. Samsung has also fixed multiple phone app issues. Random crashes caused by search history bugs are resolved, and pasting numbers from call links into the dialer now works properly. Even more importantly, the annoying problem where calls randomly switched from a connected headset to the phone itself has finally been addressed. Calls are now far more consistent and trustworthy. AI Select also gets a subtle but important improvement. After copying content, it no longer awkwardly sticks on the screen, making the whole interaction feel more natural and fluid. On top of that, Samsung has pushed a Bixby update with this beta. While there are no flashy visual changes, the Perplexity-powered assistant appears to have received backend tuning, which should improve responsiveness and command handling. Overall, One UI 8.5 Beta 4 feels like a major stability milestone for the Galaxy S25 series. The phone feels more predictable, more polished, and much closer to what we expect from a final release. With Samsung previously hinting at a March stable rollout, the big question now is whether one more beta is coming, or if this is the last stop before the official launch. If you want instant updates on One UI 8.5, Galaxy S25 news, and Samsung leaks, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop a comment and tell me, does this beta finally feel stable on your S25?